The 2007 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, traction control, OnStar, anti-lock braking system, power steering, driver airbag, alloy wheels, HomeLink garage door opener, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.